Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a whiteboard in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app. Here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, but for now we have to create a new one. And in the bottom bar we find the plus icon, we tap on it, and then if we scroll down in this list, which presents us with the different kinds of formats that we have available, we find the whiteboard. If you tap on this, the app is going to load, and then we get a whiteboard, an unlimited space where we can create, where we can generate ideas, where we can work on a project together with our group. And then the app is going to present us with some templates that we can use to make working together a bit easier. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.